The other kind of comment is what we call a code block comment. Python doesn't really have a special syntax for this, but it's more a special style of comment that we might leave. A code block comment is multiple comments, one after the other, typically explaining something more complicated than the function of a single line. We use the same syntax here. Each individual line starts with a hash mark. The common use of a code block comment like this is to describe a more complicated segment of code. We don't yet know anything about what this means, but suffice to say it's more complicated than some of the code we've seen so far, so it needs a bigger explanation. This entire explanation describes that entire code block. We could then also put in inline comments explaining each individual line. Part of the value of code block comments like this is that there exists certain ways of writing them that let us automatically pull documentation out of our code and provide it to somebody. We won't talk about that here, but it's something to keep an eye out for as you get further in your computing education.